In this clip, we're going to talk about the composition flowchart in After Effects. So now that we've talked about pre-composing inside a composition, it can become confusing on how to access or how to locate those compositions. And one useful tool for that is the composition flowchart, which can be accessed through this little icon on our timeline. If I left click it, you'll see that we are located on our main Chinese composition. And we have some connections coming in. For example, this comp 1, which is another composition. If I left click it, we will go to that second composition. If I go to my composition flowchart again, you'll see that now I have two connections, one going out to the original composition and one going in to another composition. If I left click it, you'll see that it takes me to another composition, which is composed of two different compositions. If I go back to my composition flowchart, you'll see that we are now located in this composition, and this composition shows two connecting in. So pretty much this is just a fast way so you can move between your compositions when your project is too crowded. Let's say you have 300 pre-compositions in one project and you have a bunch of them open, but you want to go to the one connected to this one. So you can simply do that, and so on. So again, the composition flowchart will only show you the connections into the composition that is currently active. Okay, so those are the basics of the composition flowchart. I hope this gave you an idea on how to use the composition flowchart and how to apply it in your work so you can become better in After Effects. Please make sure you hit that like button so I can make more videos. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so yet. I'll see you in the next clip.